This machine, it's in the heart of the manufacturing environment of Sanofi. It is created to assembly injectables of insulin for diabetics, and it is also done as part of the strategy to bring production to any part of the world in a flexible way. So we have created, together with Sanofi, a system to support the operator in the normal operations or in the normal sequence, and also to guide him to be autonomous in the maintenance, to be able to have this machine without the support of experts from Sanofi at every time. So we are using two different technologies. The first technology is what we call Spatial Augmented Reality, which is composed by artificial vision and light guiding indication. This is supporting the operator to perform always the operations in the same way, so avoiding errors and reducing time. This will allow to increase the productivity, maintaining the same quality for the operations. On the second technology, so it is dynamic augmented reality with goggles. So we will support maintenance, so the operators will not need to be trained for maintenance tasks. They will be able to follow indications with augmented reality and to be autonomous in their way, so avoiding downtime and expert support. This is a pilot we have designed together with Sanofi, so we will deploy at scale this technology to support in the midterm any kind of operations in remote.